This momentum envelope strategy could be the best starting point for you to create your new trading strategy on. It is a super simple trading strategy that is meant to catch high momentum trades and exits when the momentum fades away. The strategy is simple enough for manual trading, but of course you can also use this for your trading bot. The strategy contains the following indicators and trading rules. The McGinley Dynamic Moving Average, and that is a moving average that you probably never heard of, the True Strength Index, the Stochastic RSI, and the Bollinger Bands. In this strategy example, these indicators all use their default values that you can find on TradingView. The rules of the trade are as follows. Enter the trade when the close price is above the McGinley Moving Average for entering the bullish trend. Wait for the True Strength Index to get above its signal line, this is our second confirmation, and then enter the trade. The Stochastics RSI K-line is meant for determining the strength and momentum of the trend, and if it gets above the 80 level, we're on the right track. However, when the K-line crosses below the 80 level, then this means that the momentum is ebbing away and we will exit. These are the rules for long trades, and for short trading you can also use these same rules of course, but then reversed. You might already guessed it of course, I also created a fully automated Python script for the backtesting engine I use to automatically test if this strategy is worth mine and your time. This Python code is downloadable from my Patreon site, and Patreon is also one of the sites where you can support me if you like what I do. The website address is in the download section. I have also loads of other trading strategies tested, and a full overview of these is available on my site dutchcryptodad.com in this strategy league. Now if you want to support me in another way and don't want to spend a single penny, then please join my affiliates community on the new bybit.eu by using the code GetBybit as the referral. Or if you are already a Bybit EU member, then you can also add the code 136780 in the Join Affiliates community page on your Bybit's account info page. It doesn't cost you anything, but it's very much appreciated by me. I created a special website to help me analyze the backtest performance of this trading strategy. And on the first page we can already see that this strategy has a 47% win rate with a profit factor of 2.23. That's enough to make a good profit of our strategy that does not have a high win rate. The drawdown is 30%, so you have to be aware that there are some moments when the market isn't favoring this strategy. But then again, I only traded longs in this example, so with short tradings it could be totally different. In this overview you can see that I traded on the 1-day time frame with a maximum of 10 open trades and spot only. Now sometimes I get a message that says that there are also pairs that don't perform well, and this is true but unavoidable. If I remove these losing pairs, then I tell fairy tales and then undermine my own reputation of telling honest findings. You will always have pairs that do not perform well, like in this case you see here. But fortunately, in this overview I can always analyze the trades that went wrong or go well to learn from my mistakes and improve the strategy even further. And for this baseline strategy, I think that it is well worth investigating where things should be improved to get even better results. Nonetheless, this is all part of some rigorous testing and research, and remember that past performance do not guarantee future results here. So always be careful with trading and take good care of risk management. Now this is it for this super short video. I hope you liked it, and if you do, then please give a thumbs up and a like. And if you have some suggestions for improving this strategy or testing other strategies, I'm always happy to read these in the comment section. See you in the next video. Goodbye!